Greetings to you all and welcome to Linda's TV show. This is the home of news. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my platform, you are highly welcome. If you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe. Put on your notification bell to on notification. This will enable you to know when we upload a new video or YouTube recommending and suggesting our videos to you. Here we react to all forms of videos, local, especially what is happening in Nigeria and in Biafra land. I put a disclaimer that here we do not promote misleading information, hate speech, violence, or instigating war. We are only here to inform, educate, enlighten the members of the public about what is happening in Nigeria and in Biafra land. I seize this opportunity to appreciate YouTube for creating this wonderful platform that we are using to bring this information to you.
4 days ago, Nnamdi Kanu was disappointed in the courts. His case was adjourned till the 10th of October. Until today, none of his lawyers, senior lawyers and sons, Kanu Agabi and co, have not come out to address us. On what happened on that day and give us a statement on on their reaction about this mess. Yes? Are you thinking that we don't have a right to know? You people are heavily paid for this whole, case, and it keeps on dragging like this. The judge gave on the 18th of July, and we are there waiting for the July for a judgment. All of a sudden, we are thrown away and postponed to 10th of October. What was the reason why? You have to give us a statement. You can't just keep quiet like that. You people have a big job. You are senior advocates of Nigeria, not ordinary lawyers. And you are the lead counsel, Kanu Agabi. With all due respect, sir, we need explanations. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of Ndigbo. And for rights, you have responsibility as somebody who is the lead counsel to release a statement. You can't just leave a court like that with that kind of judgment and we don't hear from you. Does it mean that you are okay with it? Does it mean that you like the judgment? Does it mean that you're happy? Sir? Sir, yes? Abba. There are millions of people around the world waiting to hear something. Till today, nothing from you. Who told you that you cannot speak? They told you that when the case is in court, it's not true, Oga, it's not true. There is what they call a statement, a normal statement. You can stand in front of the camera or write it. Look at how the court case went. Look at what happened. Express your satisfaction. Let the world know where you went to. We sent you a message, sir. Give us reports. It's not fair now. It's not fair. Look at how nobody is happy. Nobody is happy about all this. It keeps on happening again. Deja vu. We thought it was a Nyako that was the problem. And we have whitewashed her. We even changed lawyers, sacked lawyers, changed lawyers, keep changing. Okay, they say, bring son. We have brought son. These sons, don't they talk? Don't they talk? You just see them in the court. Nnamdi Kanu will be hugging them, shaking them. Okay. How did the court case go? Nobody talks. As what? As what? Why? Please, for God's sake, we need an official statement to explain to us what really happened on that day, on the 18th of July. What actually happened? Sir, or SARS. We need an official explanation on what the implications are too. Because 10th of July, 10th of August is like 3 months, 80-something days. Haba, how do you expect? We have paid you, you have your money. Of course, you are being paid for this job. So, emotionally, you people are not attached to Nnamdi Kanu. So, you are financially attached to him. We understand that you cannot be crying or, being pained like we are pained. But you owe us something because you are being paid at least. So when somebody is paying you for something, what you should do is to please speak to the person now, or his followers now, Okay, now, if they ask me now, what did Nnamdi Kanu'S lawyer say about this whole thing? What will I tell them? Aloy Ejimako is not the lead lawyer. I saw the statement he released. Aloy Ejimako is like Nnamdi Kanu'S paddy. I don't consider him as Nnamdi Kanu'S lawyer at all. He's just the one that facilitates the legal, relationship, going to see him in the prison. He's just the one Nnamdi Kanu reached out to. I don't see him as Nnamdi Kanu'S lawyer. You people, Agabi, Erokoro, at least two of you people are the ones that we see as the lawyers. So why do you keep quiet now? What is difficult in speaking? What is the problem? During election tribunal, I do see lawyers come out after court case. You see the press will stand in front and ask questions. How did it go? What happened inside? And they start talking. We went to the court. The law judge has done this and done that. Is it illegal? I see even you, Agabi, Erokoro, do it for election tribunals. You do it. You come out and give press statements. When fish Nnamdi Kanu'S case, all of you pack your bags and go to your house. Nobody wants to talk anything. When they ask you, you say, what is even your excuse? Did the motor show stop you from speaking? I'm not happy. It's 4 days, nothing. It's 4 days, nothing. Please, always form the habit, for future's sake, always form the habit of giving a statement after a case. It is important. People need to understand from the lead lawyer, from the person in charge, that look at how today went. Look at how yesterday went. Official statement. So that we will understand. Because Nnamdi Kanu has a family. Well, you be hiding your head. You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk, but that same mouth used to eat. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it, please. I don't like it. Let this pattern change. It sounds somehow. Because nobody is happy. And that man is going back to spend another time in the prison. I don't want to talk about the bail. That one's for another day. I'll talk about the bail because I said it to my channel many times ago. You can apply for bail. People came from my head saying, we're not talking about bail now. We're talking about release. Don't you know that if somebody has been granted bail, it's easier for that person to get his freedom in Nigerian society? But it's harder to release somebody who is even in prison. So this is another topic we'll talk about maybe tomorrow. Talk about how we can start pressing for that bail on the next day if this trial, if this notice submission is destroyed by politicians. We're talking about bail and how we are going to go about it, because you don't know the mind of Omotosho now. I mean, I begin to even doubt him, because I said this is the Nigerian government. They can get to anybody. It doesn't matter who you are. They can get to anybody, because it looks as if, as it is now, that these people are not prepared to release this man. So if we are going to find technicalities as a way of getting him out, first of all, let him breathe better air. Let him breathe better air. He has not breathed well for years. He's just breathing the same air in a cell, air circulation. He needs to perceive, he needs to go to the trees, to the bushes, to the forest to get natural air. That's what he needs now. So his body will function well. So we need that man out. Please, Agabi and Co, we need him out now. Please, no more time for politics. No more time for court politics. You can see Omotosho is not playing that politics with you people. All those technique, let us do this. Omotosho, we want to offend Omotosho. We don't want to offend the federal government. We don't want to offend the persecution. Okay, see it now. They are on the driver's seat. They are the one directing wherever he's going to. Forget about anything. Stop reading too much mind. Omotosho is not there for you. They are not there for you. They don't care whether they have evidence or not. Nigerian government has the willpower. The willpower to frustrate anybody and destroy anybody's life if they want to. That's how powerful Nigerian government is. So your job is to fight it with every legal power you have. Even if it means bringing in public perceptions, public emotions in it, swaying emotion in the public. Do it. But silence will never give you anything. Like I used to say here, most times people don't like objecting. You just keep quiet. You don't object anything. Why? Perhaps if you had defended it that time, by now the case would have ended. Then you apply for no case submission. They gave you 1 month. After that 1 month now, they're giving you 3 months, which is 4 months. 4 months since the last trial. You'll be having the next one. It's not becoming like Bintanyako. I will not go much. Next topic, I'll talk about this 4 months trick. I call it a trick. They played Nnamdi Kanu. 4 months trick they played him. And who knows how long more it's going to be. Turn on notification, click on that bell, select all. Till I see you next video. Peace.
Hello my wonderful people, as you have finished watching this interesting video, please, I want to see your comment, your contribution, your opinion in the comment section. Like I said earlier, let us do it constructively. Tell me what you think about this video that you have just watched, and also about the platform. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please remember to subscribe, put on your notification bell, share this video, and remain blessed.